Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be focusing on if statement and nested if statement. So, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you cannot miss the next videos. I'll make the videos so too short, and I'm gonna make it so clear so that you can understand easily. Okay. If statement is very simple and basic. So what is an if statement? Okay, an if statement is a decision making structure in C#. It allows your program to execute a block of code only when a specific condition is true. If the condition is false, then the code inside the block is skipped. Okay, you can think of it like this. If it's raining, then I'll take an umbrella. Meaning that if it's not raining, then you will not take an umbrella. Here I made an example using the marks. Let's take it students. So a student will enter the mark, and then the code will determine if the mark, if it's a pass or a fail. So the condition is if the mark is less than 50, it's a fail. But if the mark is greater than 50, it's a pass. So how do you do this? So to do this, we need to declare our variable first. This is declaring our variable. Okay, and then we prompt the user. Is it? Prompt the user. Then we say enter a mark, and then after prompting a user, we read it. So after reading it, we put our condition. We say if the mark is less than 50, then we say console.writeLine, it's a fail. But else, meaning that we're saying else, if it's not, it's a pass. What did we do here? We mean like if the mark is less than 50, it means this section will be executed. But if it's greater than 50, it will jump, as we said here that it will skip. So it will jump to the else part, which is called nested if. It will jump to the next part and execute this block. So let's try it and run it. Okay, start. Okay, wait, hold on. Is it enter a mark? Okay, I entered 40. What do you expect? We expect a fail because 40 is less than 50. So let's press enter. It says fail. Okay, let's go back and change. Now let's run again. Hold on, and let's write 57. What do we expect? We expect a pass because 57 is more than, it's greater than 50. Let's check. Pass. Well done. So that's so simple. And C# when using Visual Studio, don't forget to read the line after coding. After doing everything, you need to read your line, because if I can remove this line, console.readLine, you'll see it will just pop up and go off because I didn't read the line. Okay, check. If I press 8, it will just like pop up and go because I didn't read my line. So don't forget to read the line. Okay, thank you guys.